My wife forgot one tiny detail before cheating, our smart doorbell. She told me she was home alone. I was working the night shift. Around midnight. My phone buzzed. Motion detected. I almost ignored it. I figured it was just a raccoon again. Instead, I opened the live feed. My wife walked out onto the front porch. A black SUV pulled into the driveway. A man stepped out. She smiled. Ran up to him. And kissed him before they walked back inside my house. I just stared at my phone. I wanted to believe it wasn't real. Maybe it was an old recording. Maybe I was dreaming. Then another notification appeared. Front door locked. Live. In real time. I didn't call her. I didn't text her. I just kept working. The next morning she greeted me with a kiss. Asked how my shift went. Then made me breakfast. Like nothing had happened. I smiled. Said it was a quiet night. She had no idea. I'd watched everything. Over the next week. She kept inviting him over whenever I worked late. She didn't know our smart doorbell saved every clip to the cloud automatically. Deleting the app. Didn't delete the videos. I downloaded every single one. Then came our annual neighborhood barbecue. Everyone was there. Friends. Neighbors. Even her parents. Someone asked if I could connect my phone to the TV to show vacation photos. I said. Sure. The first video started playing. It wasn't our vacation. It was my wife opening the front door. And kissing the same man. The entire backyard went silent. She jumped up. Trying to grab the remote. Too late. 3 more clips started playing automatically. Different nights. Same guy. Her mother covered her face. Her father stood up and walked away without saying a word. The other guy. Turns out. Lived only 4 houses down. Here's the part people still argue about. Half the neighborhood says I humiliated her. The other half says. She humiliated herself. Every time she walked past the camera thinking nobody was watching. So. Did I go too far? Or did the doorbell just tell the truth?